My dear students, I am your MSc. So let us do today Robert Burns' poem to a mouse. Robert Burns belongs to the group of poets known as precursors of Romanticism. Their poetry offered a relief to the readers of English poetry who felt claustrophobic in the 18th century literary sensibility. Scottish by birth, his poems are available both in Scottish and English versions. The title of the poem is self-explanatory. It is addressed to a very little animal. The title suggests that a mouse can also be a theme of poetry. When it was published, this was the response of the readers, as animals did not enjoy the acknowledged status which they enjoy now. Reading such a poem is an occasion for self-introspection. This was the intention of the Romantic poets. Man, nature and animal form a trio mutually interdependent. As a precursor of the Romantic movement, Burns fulfills this human obligation. Mentionable observation is that of Terence. Homo sum humani nihil a me alienam puto. I am a man, nothing human is alien to me. The Indian parallel of the present poem can be captured in two respects, religion and literature. We have Lord Ganesha, who has a mouse by his side. His wife again is Kolabo, a symbol of nature. Literature. The spirit of inclusiveness in terms of interdependent nature of man, nature and animal is articulated in Sanskrit literature. One example is Abhigyano Shakuntalam. We will read it in semester 4. Animal and poet's response. Little cunning, cowering, timorous beast. Little means small, cunning means clever at deceiving people, timorous means easily frightened. All these epithets are attached to the mouse. Next, what a panic is in your breast. The little animal is panicking for its survival, for it can be killed any moment. Next, I would be loath to run and chase you with murdering paddler. Man's nature is beastly, but the poet claims his difference from average man. Human instinct of domination. I am truly sorry man's dominion has broken nature's social union. Man's essential nature is one of domination. It makes men unkindly to nature and animal both. As a member of the human race, the poet feels sorry for this instinct of man. Next, deprivation of mouse, food and shelter. I doubt not sometimes that you may steal. What then? Poor beast, you must leave. Your small house, a few dots, both bitter and piercing. Next, the cruel plough passed out through yourself.
Summing up,
Still you are blessed. The poet draws comparison between himself and the animal and feels that the animal, that is the mouse, is blessed. So here we have a coherence between the opening and the closing. The animal is little but blessed.